when it comes to cut flowers in the garden, whether it be a perennial like this Inca lily, even the foxgloves, the delphiniums, even your zinnias for summer, some of them might require staking, especially if they are exposed to winds, gusts, and some of them do just fall over. You know, when they get very heavy, you are going to lose a few. And we all know the traditional staking of taking something wooden and popping it up against it and then tying it up in a figure of 8. But in plants like this perennial, this beautiful Inca lily, which are more open and vase shape, it requires a different method and a different approach. And we do this very often, and it really does the job. Because most of us, when we buy these from our local garden centre, they already got some flowers. So as soon as you've planted them, I want you to do this. You're going to need some bamboo stakes, nothing more than 800, more than enough. You're going to need some of this plastic coated twisty wire, and this stuff is fabulous because it's got the little cutting gadget on it over here. And then, of course, a pair of secateurs that has got the little part here where you can cut little bits of wire. That is actually intended. Of course, not thick bits like this, very, very small, thin bits. And I'm going to construct this around here and you'll see the support that it's going to give you. Very simple, 9 poles upright, and then we're going to weave in the other ones in a crisscross manner. Well, there we go, folks. Our little grid system is up. We've just trimmed off the edges here so that it looks aesthetically pleasing. The most important thing about this grid system is that it still allows enough air movement between the buds and the tall stems that are pushing through. So we're not crunching it all up and saying, just carry on growing. So we're allowing that freedom, and as the new shoots then push through, so they're going to find their way through this grid. And the bamboo works nicely because you don't see it. It kind of blends in with the foliage. And this is a sure winner and makes for certain that I will get lovely straight stems and lots more Inca lilies right throughout the summer.